Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we will share most important general awareness question for Railway NTPC 2020 exams. Here is national appointment. First is Gyanendro Ningombam. He is recently appointed as President of Hockey India and Yarshvardhan Kumar Sinha. He is recently appointed as a Chief Information Commissioner of Center in Information Commission. Joseph Robinette Biden Jr. He is recently appointed as 46th President of United States. Rajkumar Rao. He is recently appointed as Brand Ambassador of Siska Group. Chacha Chaudhary. He is appointed as Brand Ambassador of Namani Gang Project. And Maja Sandhu, first woman of President of Moldova. Rohit Sharma, Brand Ambassador for Finance Saper. Smriti Mandhana, Brand Ambassador for Equitas Small Finance Bank. Now important government schemes. First is Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana. Launching date of this scheme is 20th June 2020 and basic aim of this scheme is to reduce the economic impact COVID-19 pandemic induced lockdown on the poor section of the country. The allotted amount for this scheme is rate 1.5 lakh crore. Second is One Nation, One Ration Card. Launched on August 2019, the main objective of this scheme is to introduce nationwide probability of ration card holders under the National Food Security Act 2013 will be available across the country from 1st June 2020. Third is Sankalp. This is approved in 2019 and it is centrally sponsored scheme with a project of total size of $675 millions, introducing World Bank assistance of $500 millions to create convergence among the skill training activities. Journal awareness one-liner. National Bank for Agriculture and Development. Saxonite loaned amount of 8,500 lakhs to carry out infrastructure project in Goa under its right Rural Infrastructure Development Funds. The Chhattisgarh government has launched Fort 5 right distribution scheme. The aim of the scheme is to reduce malnutrition and anemia. And India's largest public broadcasting agency, Prasar Bharati, has signed MOU Memorable Understanding with Baisag State Level Agency by Government of Gujarat. And IITM COVID Games is developed and launched by the Indian Institute of Technology, Madras. The game is launched to create awareness about COVID-19 amongst children. And Indian Railway Renewable Energy Development Agency Limited has signed MOU with Ministry of New Renewable Energy. They now earn into agreement in a frame target for the year 2020-21. Now here is the some most important question for upcoming Railway and TPC exam. First question is, in which state was India's first seaplane service launched by PM Modi? Right answer is Gujarat. Second is, the Serb Power Initiative belongs to which of the following organization? Right answer is Department of Science and Technology. Who among the following is appointed as a CEO of Electronic Sector in Excel Council of India? Right answer is PVG Menon. Fourth is, who among the launched Green Delhi mobile application? Right answer is the CM of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal. Next, which union territory topped in 5th edition of Public Affairs Index 2020 based on governance? Right answer is Chandigarh. Next, Bija in partnership with which bank launched Bija Direct, which is an instant payout for fitness film? Right answer is RBL Bank. Next, who among the following signed MOU with Indian Oil Corporation Research and Development Center with an objective to develop hydrogen generation technology based on biomass gasification? Right answer is Indian Institute of Science, IISc. Next, who among the partnered with Ayush Ministry of Set Up Strategy Policy and Facilitation Bureau? Right answer is Invest India. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.